everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to turn off flashing screen on Doomsday Last Survivors. If you are struggling with the flashing screen effect in Doomsday, then maybe it's causing discomfort or making the game harder to play, then you can easily go ahead and turn off the flashing screen option to make your gameplay smoother. First of all, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From your Commander info page, tap on Settings at the bottom left. Inside Settings, click on Customized Settings. Now, scroll all the way down from the Customized Settings and look for this flashing screen option. Toggle off the button right next to flashing screen in order to turn off flashes during battles, reinforcements, rallying or scouting. The flashing screen reactivates after 8 hours, so once you turn this off, you'll be able to turn off the flashing effect for 8 hours, and that's how you easily do it. Now you can go and play the game for a few minutes to ensure the flashing screen is gone. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.